Hello, in this video I'll show you how you can get more out of basic tools. For example, extrude. So a lot of times you're modeling a basic object like this and you're wondering, okay, am I going to start doing booleans now or something else? Well, sometimes guys, just taking a step back and doing some basic extrude operations will really help you out. So before you get into any fancy tools, just learn what you can do with just extrude. So what we can do, for example, is I'll select an edge here, ring, connect, insert a bunch of loops through here, actually right here, all right. And so now we have lots of possibilities. I will apply a new apply modifier. And so now I've also got symmetry, data channel, open subdiv as well. So now what we can do is select, for example, this and then a little bit of that. And we can just kind of extrude down. And look, right away, we get this right here. And just some space like that, guys, can really improve your design. You don't have to get anything too fancy. Just a bit of extrusion like this can help you out. What I'm going to do beforehand is I'm going to actually undo. I'm going to insert another loop through here. And now I'm going to extrude once again. We can also use local normal. All right, already that's looking interesting. All right. And then let me just delete edit poly. You know, what else can we do here? We can, for example, hold shift and select that, and then do this right here. All right, and then we can kind of extrude down here. All right, now we've got this detail, but to make it even more interesting, we can, for example, deselect this, and we can further move this. What I would do is select, for example, this face right here, align, custom pivot, then kind of move this here. And so now we've got this effect right here. We can also do, guys, we can work together with data channel. So right now the data channel modifier is overriding and we kind of get this awkward result. But what we can do is actually select these edges here, holding shift, left click, then hold shift, left click, and we can do a little bit of a crease there. But notice how no matter what we do here, nothing is really changing. That's because right now data channel is replacing this selection. So what we need to do here is go into edge output, and instead of replace, we're going to add. So now it's actually adding to the current crease we have here, which means that now when we change this, it's actually be modified. All right. So as you can see, just by doing that right there, guys, we have these really cool results with no booleans required. Just auto crease using data channel makes a really nice difference. One of 3ds Max's really nice kind of underrated unknown features is data channel. And then having this basic selection, right? Just a basic polygon face selection. And then you go and kind of further, you extrude, and then you can further, move things. And that already creates, just really cool results without any booleans, guys. Look at how far, guys, just basic extrusions can get you. Just basic movement. Like, a lot of people would just start boolean this away, and they would get, of course, the missed topology and, things like that. But just with very basic results, guys, you get some really cool stuff here. Look at this. So what I'm saying, guys, is that, cool, nifty new features are all good and well, but you really should understand, you really should master just the basic tools. And they can really take you pretty far, and you can get really complex, all sorts of shapes just with really basic tools, guys. So don't always be in a hurry to spend your money on all sorts of new plugins and add-ons. Just spend some time with the old basic tools here. They miss you sometimes. When you're doing all your various complex Boolean operations, like you just are forgetting what the basic tools can do for you. Spend some time with your good old friend Extrude, with your good old friend chamfer, or bevel as it's known in Blender. And I can kind of move this here, right? I can kind of move this inwards. Let me see, make sure I got the right one here. All right. And I can, for example, deselect this. I can move this further, right? I can move this further right here. And that gives me this. That's already interesting right there. And then I can select this. right? And I can move this like right here, for example. Or I can always kind of deselect that, move just that. You know, like look at this cool stuff we can get just with very basic tools, guys. So this was just a quick example of how you can do more with basic tools. So I hope that you can dig out that old dusty extrude tool and get some more interesting results with it. Thank you for watching and take care.